Hello friends, today not necessarily an irrigation video at all, but I did some really cool track lighting in my house and I thought it would be fun to share. It is related to irrigation in the sense that there's irrigation wire used for the lights and using copper piping and some copper fittings. So it took me about 2 weeks to figure this out, and you'll see I did a first draft, pretty ugly, and then the second draft came out amazing. I think it's super cool. So one of our daughters helped me film it, so it's not necessarily a how-to video, but it is a how-to video and it's just an entertainment video. I just had some fun doing the editing and whatnot. It was lots of fun. So continue watching, and then at the very end I will have a list of all the parts I used and you can take it from there. Have fun, enjoy.
Yeah, so originally I wanted to modify this part of the light track that it came with, but I just couldn't figure out so luckily they make parts that you can modify.
Alright, I created a whole new track light and I haven't turned it on yet. Of course it's not quite finished, but it is finished enough for it now. So I'm gonna turn it on. I haven't even turned it on yet. Alright, see if we can sparks. Ooh. Well, you can't see what I'm doing from over there. It's a little dangerous.
Oh my god, no wonder it's not making sense.
Stop recording the first important part. I was thinking it was really dangerous without this thing on there. So now it's making a lot more sense. Anyways, this is kind of a tricky part. Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Are you close up?
Nothing when he was for lighting. That's for light, right? Are you close to this? Yeah. Eventually. That's not. What page? Maybe on my page. So cute. Coming back. I'm gonna do 152, don't you? Okay, then she's going on to the switches. This is 1,000 times cooler than ours. What?
Oh my gosh, we're not gonna win any camera awards either.
How do you know that?
Oh! I know where that one. And cut. Turn her on, girl. We can't show the kitchen.
Is it working?
It's not even working.
Oh wait, no. Okay, that one's working.